Indian troops have arrested more than 50 innocent youth in the name of questioning in Rajouri district. The arrests were made during the ongoing joint cordon and search operations being conducted by Indian Army, Police and Central Reserve Police Force in over 24 villages in Rajouri. Protests were held in Nagar area of Srinagar against the brutal anti-people measures of the Delhi-run regime, including growing scarcity of water, power shortage, inflation and unemployment. People hit the roads at Nagar, uptown Srinagar and blocked the traffic. Indian authorities have intensified restrictions in the name of high security across the territory, particularly in the Jammu region ahead of the Indian Republic Day celebrations. The personnel of Indian Army, Border Security Force and Village Defence Guards have been deployed in all district areas along the line of control, and night patrolling is being conducted in Jammu, Rajouri, Poonch, Kathua, Samba and Kishtwar districts. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has torn apart the Modi regime's argument which he gave while revoking Jammu and Kashmir's special status in August 2019. He said the claim has fallen flat with the arming of village defense guards with weapons we saw in Rajouri and the situation in Kashmir with the number of forces personnel are being increased. All this points to the fact that the situation is not under control. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that every aspect of life for Kashmiri Muslims is under assault by BJP-led Hindutva regime. Senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a message from Srinagar, said the regime has taken number of steps including administrative, demographic and electoral to disempower the Kashmiris. Fascist Modi regime has attached the property of a jailed freedom youth in Shopian district. The regime attached the property of Usman Gulzar Wani in Nagabal area of the district. Usman was arrested by Indian troops during a cordon and search operation in August 2022 and was lodged in Kot Bhalwal jail, Jammu.